Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 17 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. So, to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen like this, and then in the empty space somewhere here, you want to hold your finger. Oops, I'll try that again, there we go. And this will enter editing mode, and here you can click on add a control, and you want to find your screen recording control, which is right here. Once you see it, you can just tap on it. You can see it gets added. You can click on the empty space once more, and this will turn it off. And from here, just click on the control. It begins a 3-second countdown and then starts recording. So you can open up any kind of app you want from here. And once you're done, interact with your dynamic island and click on the square. This will save your recording to your Photos application. So we're going to open that up. And you can see it right here at the very bottom, but later on it might be easier for you to find it by going into your collections, and in collections it's going to show up under videos. Now unfortunately this will still be mixed up with the phone camera videos and any kind of other videos that you might have on your device, but it's still going to be much easier to find it rather than looking through for your screen recordings through the entire photo library of everything, photos and videos. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.